Okay, so here's the package I got today. It should be my motherboard and processor. Amazing packaging. Here's the Intel Pentium T5200, I believe. It's not any quad core or anything, because I was kind of running on a budget, but it should do the job. And here's my BioStar motherboard. TP45 HP. Apparently a really good motherboard. And the box is open. Interesting. Got some stuff. And more stuff. And here's the motherboard. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic just yet, because I've got some stuff to do on my computer before I swap it out. It looks pretty nice. See ya.